Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make transparent signature without using third-party software or internet in Windows 11 PC. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you. Say I have one signature here, so let me open it. So you can see this signature is not a transparent signature. So how you can make this transparent? So here we are gonna use the inbuilt software, that is the pen software. So just open the pen software. So firstly, just click on this settings icon and just check if your pen software is updated to this version or not. So if you have this version, then that's good for you, and if you have an older version, then kindly update to this version or the latest version. So in order to update this pen software on your respective Windows 11 computer, what you need to do is just go to the Microsoft Store and just search for pen. Now you can see here pen, just click on it. Now you can see here I don't have any more updates. So if you see here any update, then just click on update and update this pen software firstly. Then after that, just click on this file, click on open. Select the signature which you want to make the transparent, just click on it, click on open. Now you can see here one option, remove background, just click on it. Now it has automatically removed the background. So once you are done, now just click on this file again and click on this tab S. Now just select this PNG picture option. Now select your output folder. So let me just rename it. Now let us test if it really becomes transparent or not. So let me try to add it here. So you can see here it's completely transparent. So you can see. So now you can resize everything and you can edit on any of your document files very easily. So by using this inbuilt software named as Paint, you can easily make transparent signature without using third-party software or internet in Windows 11 PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.